I just love being able to like help impact a young child's life in whatever direction, especially, working as a high school counselor. I deal with kids going through all different issues, whether it's, their families or their parents are divorcing, or I deal with students that are homeless, or, their parents are losing their jobs, students that have been abused in a lot of different aspects, students that are really, in significant mental health challenges. Sometimes you're dealt a really bad hand in life, and, you maybe don't have control over like who your parents are, what your home life situation is or whatever, but I've a really big fan of like trying to find ways to help kids connect, especially because I work with high school kids, of like, what can you do now to help prepare you for your future? So like over the years, being able to help kids find like internships, part-time jobs, community service, working with kids, I think that where like the spark goes off for them. Like I had a girl years ago who was really interested in the medical profession, and family had a lot of challenges, and mom had cancer, and she was dealing with like a bunch of things and low income, so she was working as well to support her family. And I was like, I think you should do this internship. It was through SRJC, like health center. And she at first didn't think she'd be able to do it, but then she was able to make it work. She did it for the summer, and she came back in the fall and was like, oh my gosh, Miss McClelland, this worked out perfectly. And now she got her bachelor's, she's gotten her master's, she's an actual registered nurse now. And so I think being able to help connect students and like find that light, those kinds of things have been some of those like really great big milestones that I think obviously can really like impact somebody's life and the trajectory that they're going down. I love working in schools, specifically like public education. I think, being able to be adults working directly with the kids is such a huge, vital part of kids' success. I mean, there's so many studies that show that kids that have like one trusted adult in their life, their outcomes are so much better.